Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe. I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to study chapter 10, tens and hundreds. Before that, I want to give you some instructions. Observe the method and solve the sums given in PDF in the notebook. Division of decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, etc. For example, 47.8 divided by 10. First of all, write the number without decimal point and see how many zeros are here. Only one zero. So we will shift the decimal point by the left side one value because 10 is here. So answer is 4.78. Second example, 652.7 divided by 100. Write the number like this. See how many zeros are here? 2 0. So we will shift the decimal point by 2 value at the left side, means we will put the decimal point here and answer is 6.527. Third example, 19.82 divided by 1000. 1982 divided by 1000. Three zeros are here. So we will shift the decimal point by 3 value. So write the number like this without decimal point, and we'll shift the 3 value 1, 2, 3 and point here. So answer is 0.01982. You can write like this also, 0.01982 or 0.01982. Now let us see another division of decimal number. By whole number. For example, 15.52 divided by 4. We need to write like this. This is the dividend, it is a divisor, and whatever the answer, it is a quotient. Now start dividing the number as normal. Means ignore the decimal point and see the number at the left side of the point, that is a 1 and 5. 1 is smaller than 4, so we will take this number together and 4 3s are 12. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 0. Now here is a decimal point. We will put a point in the quotient. No need to bring this here. 4 8s are 32. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 0. Bring this number down and 4 8s are 32. remainder is 0 and quotient is equal to 3.88, remainder is equal to 0. Now another example, 19.22 divide by 5. Same method, 19.22 is a dividend, 5 is divisor. Start dividing like normally, means ignore the decimal point. 1 is a smaller than 5, so we will take these two numbers together. 5 3s are 15. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Here is a decimal point, so we will put it at the quotient place. Bring this number here. 5 8s are 40. Bring another number. 2 is here. 5 4s are 20. 2 is a remainder. Now listen, when division remains incomplete, means here is a remainder and there is no another value is there. So we add zeros here. When we add 0 and put the number here down, it will become 20. Now 5 4s are 20. That means it is exactly divisible and remainder is 0. Then the division is complete. Means quotient is equal to 3.844, remainder is equal to 0. I hope you have understood the method. You have to solve the sums given in PDF and mail it on given email ID.